Welcome to the NOC Mastery Review. If you want to cut hosting costs and manage your own server in 2025, NOC Mastery is a training program perfect for beginners. It allows you to deploy and manage a virtual private server, VPS, without any tech experience. This comprehensive course covers everything from pricing to exclusive bonuses, helping affiliate marketers, SaaS builders, and digital entrepreneurs control their online infrastructure. With NOC Mastery, you can save substantial hosting fees, host unlimited websites, and even resell hosting services. The user-friendly lessons include over 20 training modules and a detailed ebook guiding you step by step. Whether you are starting a new journey in online business or seeking to optimize costs, NOC Mastery provides the tools for successful VPS management. Don't forget to use the $7 discount code at checkout to unlock your path to digital independence today. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel for review.